We're here at. Thank you, my love. Ooh, very nice in here. Look, so what inside here? Whoa. Look at that, fresh. Ito yung ginagawa nilang ice cream. Yep. Just looks yummy, right?
Hi.
Hi. It's a banana girl.
How are you guys?
Good. Tingnan niyo yung mga ano. Malapit lang to sa bahay namin. Ayan ang mga flavor nila. Pecan, chocolate chip, butter pecan, pistachio almond, Nana's banana pudding, lemon cheesecake bar, orange sherbet are good. You know? And here, look at that. Colorful. Strawberry cheesecake, Superman, and a Superman. Oreo, Blue Moon, cotton candy twist. Oh, wow. So many flavor in here. Okay, let's see. Ooh, ooh. That's a yummy one. So good. Oh, guys, look at this. I like their bracelet. How much is the bracelet?
10.
Wow, so beautiful, pretty. 10 it's over. Okay, $10. So $10 isa. But look at that, so pretty. Wow, ang gaganda ah. Ganda. Oh, look at that. Oh. See, mga candy dito guys. Pwede akong bibili ng candy eh. Lagay ko sa box ko dito. Ayan. Look how big is the store. It's all about candy store. Everything you want. Like chocolate, candy. Ayan. Ayan. Here's honey. Ayan. Cotton candy here. Everything. This one is pretty close to our house, you know. Yeah. This.
Candy eyeballs in there.
Where is it?
On the other side.
See, this is the kids' favorite, right?
What they do is they take people and they pull out their eyeballs and soak them in sugar and make candy eyeballs.
Really?
Come look.
Where's that? Show me.
We got rained out last year.
How many? You need it, Mama.
Candy eyeball? Look at that guy, so ganda.
Soak them in sugar and make candy eyeballs.
Oh yeah, you're right. Oh no,
Those are
candy
real
eyeballs.
eyes.
Who? Do you think Ken loves it?
They're not real eyes. They're candy.
I'm playing. See, they have chocolates. See, oh. Tingnan mo yung mga ano. Tingnan mo sila, oh, bumibili. Ito yung paborito ng mga bata, oh. Look at that. So, let's go here. So, I'm planning to buy some. Tsaka ripak-ripakin ko, oh. Pwede kang mag-scope dyan kung ilan, magkano, how much you want. Diba? Oh, nag-vlog tayo, oh. Oh, different color of candies. You know, guys, this is good for the party.
Send there.
Huh?
You said you wanted to buy candy to send.
Yeah, but I don't know if my box is.
Today?
I don't know. Maybe I buy one big box
Or bag?
bag. Oh, look at this. What? Oh, wow. Wow, it look like not candy, but it's candy.
Yeah.
It's covered by the, you know, what's that? Raspberry and blackberry.
Yeah.
That's cool.
They got worms.
Look at that. Really chocolate inside. Oh, my goodness.
Look at this.
Where?
Caramel.
Yeah, you like that? How much is it?
I don't know. About $20.
I'm gonna repack it and give it to the kids in Philippines.
Like caramel.
Yeah, you know, right? Look at the M&M, the Skittles, everything there. 1 box of original red, a lot of it. 1 box of,
Honey?
huh? Yeah, watermelon ones. I need to think about it. Which one is I need
You're
to?
not going to get today.
No, I'm not, because I
Like licorice bites.
look at that. Yeah, where's that? Oh,
Right here, licorice bites.
where?
Black licorice.
Really?
Yep, the real stuff.
Oh, I didn't try that one before.
You never tried black licorice?
No. The
Really?
red one. Oh, this one 11. They put the prices in here. This one's good. I think kids love it. Caramel. And this was stick. See, guys? So hindi muna ako bibili ngayon kasi baka po mapuno na yung ano ko box ko. So the second box for my family, I think I'm gonna buy. Kasi meron na akong chocolate doon na i-repack para sa mga bata sa Pinas. So mayroon silang mani. This one is good for you guys. And this one, if you want the nuts, come here and get some nuts. Alright? Oh my goodness. Oh, diba? Oh. See, people love to buy in here because they have lots of choices. Okay, look at the kids right there. It's getting candy. Oh, diba?